Let me ask you something. You want to speak English, but you feel shy at home.
You think English practice needs a teacher. You think English needs a classroom.
But what if I tell you your home is your classroom?
And your mother can be your first English partner.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Hashmi English Tutor.
Today's topic is simple but very powerful.
We will learn English with Mother at home.
No pressure, no grammar fear, only real-life English.
Many people ask, where should I practice English?
The best answer is, at home.
Why with Mother?
Because your mother never laughs at you. She never judges you.
You feel safe. You feel confident.
And confidence is the key to English.
Let's start with the morning. Simple sentences. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm good. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. I feel fresh today.
That's good. Start your day positively.
Now we are in the kitchen. Mom, can I help you?
Yes, please help me.
What should I do?
Bring vegetables from the fridge.
Okay, I will bring them.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Sometimes you make mistakes.
And that is okay.
English is not about perfection.
English is about expression.
Speak slowly. Speak clearly.
Mistakes mean you are learning.
In the afternoon, say this. Mom, I am busy right now.
Okay, do your work properly.
I will talk later.
Sure, take your time.
What did you study today?
I studied English today.
What did you learn?
I learned new sentences. I practiced speaking.
That's very good. Practice daily.
Yes, Mom, I am trying my best.
In the evening, you can say, Mom, today was a long day.
Yes, but you did well.
I am tired but happy.
Rest is important.
Before sleeping, say this. Thank you for supporting me, Mom.
I am always with you.
Your support gives me confidence.
Believe in yourself. You will improve.
Repeat after me. Mom, please speak English with me.
Okay, let's practice together.
I am learning step by step.
Slow progress is good progress.
I will not give up.
That's the spirit.
You don't need a big institute.
You need a small start.
Start at home. Start with your mother. This is Hashmi English Tutor.
Helping you speak English naturally.
Like this video. Comment, I practice English with my mother.
Subscribe for daily English learning.
Keep learning, keep speaking.